Hello, my name is Benjamin Kepner. I am the Google Ads and Google Analytics instructor for the Digital Workshop Center based in Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm also the founder and CEO of Global Social Media Marketing. We are a marketing and education technology training company headquartered in Denver, Colorado. We offer a wide variety of social media marketing, Google Ads, and Google Analytics services, as well as building sales funnels to help you expand into new horizons by connecting with your communities in new, innovative ways. Over the last 10 years of my career, I've run a number of different Google Ads and Google Analytics campaigns across industries such as solar, real estate, insurance, software, and the list honestly goes on and on. I graduated from the University of Georgia, so go dogs, sick 'em, oof, oof, oof. And I'm also an average snowboarder and social media enthusiast. I love traveling the world. I'm fluent in Spanish. And I'm also a Google for Education certified trainer, which is a credential that I've received from Google as an expert to teach people on the G Suite technology products for Google. I'm really looking forward to helping students get the most out of this class with being able to run successful Google ads or understanding how to leverage their website with Google Analytics to understand behavior flow and ultimately what drives revenue and growth for businesses. I'm hoping that students enjoy my class through interactive videos, Q&A, and ultimately just fun. I'm here to help you students get the best out of your time with me to upskill and increase your chances of improving your current job status or ultimately helping you grow your business as a business owner. So I'll see you in class and feel free to reach out to me anytime you need via the Digital Workshop Center. I'm here to help. Thanks, guys. Take care.